Hello everyone, I, Mrs. Archana Said, Assistant Professor, Computer Engineering Department, AISSMS IOIT. Today we will discuss about the concept of packages and visibility of member variables in Java across the packages. So let's begin. Let's consider this programming snapshot where there is a package P1 and in that package there is a class A with its own private member variable. So we have to check whether this private variable is accessible in the other class which belongs to the same package as that of the class A. So here there is a display function, and in this display function we have created a class object of a class A, and if we try to print the value of this private member variable no1, then it is going to give us error as the field a.no1 is not visible. So from here we can conclude that the private member variable of a particular class is not accessible in another class, though this class belongs to the same package as that of the class A's declaration. Next, if we declare a class A with protected member variable in, let's say, package P1, if there is one more class B which belongs to the same package, now let's check the visibility of protected variable in the other class belongs to the same package. So here there is a display function. We have created an object of a class A, and if we try to print the value of variable A, then the protected member variable is accessible in class B which belongs to the same package, though the class A and B are not related to each other. So class A's variable is accessible if they are in the same package. Now the next scenario is there is a package P1, and in P1 there is a protected member variable. There is one more class C which belongs to the another package P2. Now let's check the visibility of protected variable no1 in the other class, but here the case is the class is derived from the class A which is there in P1. So here the thing is, in P1 we have protected variable declared which belongs to class A. Class C is inherited from class A, as you can see in this program. Public class C extends A. So here this C is a derived class which is derived from a base class A. So if we try to access the protected variable using an object of a derived class, we are able to access the variable through an object of a derived class. Now let's check the next scenario, default visibility. So there is a package P1 in which a class A with no1 as a default variable. So default variable is accessible in the other class, but the class should belong to the same package where the default member variable is declared, the class in which the default member variable is declared. So here there are two classes A and B. Default variable is declared in A. It is accessible in class B. Now let's consider across the packages. If there is a package P1 with class A and a default variable as no1, if there is one more class C which is related to A, as there is an inheritance, let's consider this scenario. So class C, in class C, using the object of derived class, the default member is not accessible. we are not able to get the access of C1.no1, though it is related. So let's summarize the different scenarios. If we are having package P1 with class A and it is having private member variables, in the same package, let's say there is one more class B. So B is not able to access A's private member variables. So private member variables are most restricted type of visibility in the class declaration. Public variable, package P1. In package P1, let's say there is a class A which has public member variable declaration. In the same package, let's say there is a class B. So B is able to access the public member variables of class A. Next scenario, let's say there is a package P2. In P2, we are having, let's say, class C. This class C is able to access A's public variable. Now let's check the visibility of default variables. Package P1, there is a class A with its own set of default variables. If there is a class B in the same package as that of the class A's declaration, B is able to access the default member variables of class A, as both of these classes are belonging to same package. Now let's take an example of another class which belongs to the different package P2. So this class C, which is declared in package P2, is not able to access A's default member variables. Now last one, that is accessibility of protected variables. Package P1, which has class A declaration with protected member variables. B belongs to the same package as that of the class A. So B is able to access A's protected variables. Now let's consider package P2, and in P2, let's say there is a class C which is derived from class A. So class C is able to access A's protected variable, as both are related to each other by means of inheritance. But the case is that if there is one more class D which belongs to package P2 but which is not related to class A, which is declared in P1, so D is not able to access the A's private protected member variables. So let's check the visibility of or the accessibility of different member variables through this summary table. Here class A belongs to package P1, class B also belongs to package P1, and class C and D belongs to package P2. So if A's public member variables are accessible in B, C, D, that we are supposed to check. So public variables of class A are accessible in B, C and D. So we can conclude that public variables are accessible within the class, outside the class, in the same package, outside the package, across the packages. Default variable, it is accessible in class B, which belongs to the same package as that of class A's declaration, but it is not accessible in class and C and D respectively, as both these classes belongs to different package as compared to package P1. Protected variable is accessible in B as they belongs to the same package. It is accessible in C if C is derived from A. This is the restriction. There has to be some relation between class A and class C. And class D, which is there in package P2, is not able to access protected variable of class A. And lastly, private variables are not accessible in any of the classes. It is accessible only in the class in which it is declared. So the most visible variable is public variable and the most restricted variable is the private variable. Thank you.